Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison. Today, we're soaring to new heights with a battle of the drones. On the left, we have the Holystone HS110D, and on the right, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First up, we have the Holystone with its 1080 PFOV 120 degrees HD FPV camera. It's like having a personal paparazzo, but without the awkward conversations. This bad boy lets you capture those Instagram-worthy moments without any distortion. Plus, you can view everything from your phone. No more asking, "Did I get that shot?" because you'll know. Meanwhile, the TiziToy comes in hot with a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a tiny James Cameron in your pocket. You can shoot in 4K, people. That's like seeing every single pore on your face in ultra-high definition. Ever wanted to see the world like a hawk? Well, now you can. So Holystone gives you great shots, but TiziToy takes it to a whole new level with 4K. It's like comparing a flip phone camera to the latest iPhone. One's good, the other's incredible. Holystone brings you 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 modular batteries. That's just enough time to annoy your neighbors or maybe catch your dog doing something hilarious. But wait, TiziToy says, "Hold my propeller," and gives you a whopping 40 minutes of flight time with its 1,600 mAh batteries. That's enough time to question all your life choices while your drone flies away into the sunset. In this round, TiziToy wins by a landslide. It's like comparing a power nap to a full night's sleep. More time in the air means more fun, right? Holystone isn't just sitting around. It's got mobile control, voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. You can literally tell it to take a picture by doing the scissor gesture, or record a video by flashing the paper gesture. It's like playing rock, paper, scissors with your drone. TiziToy, on the other hand, is the Swiss Army knife of drones. We're talking high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3 speed gears, gesture control, headless mode, 1 key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, 360 degrees flip, low battery warning, emergency stop, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. It even comes with spare fan blades and a carrying case. This drone has more features than my smartphone. If features were toppings, TiziToy is the fully loaded pizza, while Holystone is a solid margarita. Both are good, but one just has more to offer. Both drones come in at $99. Yep, you heard that right, folks. For the price of a nice dinner for 2, you can have your very own flying machine. But which one gives you more bang for your buck? Well, considering TiziToy's 4K camera, longer battery life, and an arsenal of features, it's like getting a Tesla for the price of a used bicycle. Holystone is great, but TiziToy just offers more for the same price. It's a no-brainer. Reviewers appreciate the Holystone HS110D for its value for money, stability, and ease of use, especially for beginners. However, its camera quality and battery life are noted as areas needing improvement. On the other hand, the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone receives praise for its 4K camera, extended battery life, and an abundance of features. Some reviewers did face issues with customer support and instructions, but overall, the drone is seen as a superior choice for both beginners and enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of Holystone versus TiziToy, the winner is clear. TiziToy takes the crown with its superior camera, extended flight time, and a boatload of features. But hey, Holy Stone is still a fantastic option for beginners and those who want something simple and reliable. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying, and may your drones always stay airborne.